In Illustrator's digital canvas, crafting Up's emblematic logo, precision strokes and curves, each element in a visual fandango, palette selection, hues of ambition and wisdom intertwine, symbolizing progress and unity, a design that's genuine, typography dances, letters forming a bold identity. Embracing simplicity, the Up logo takes shape within a circle's embrace, a universal symbol effortlessly aligning with any brand's grace, circular boundaries, a harmonious frame, radiating unity, versatility embedded, a design choice with true ingenuity. Enclosed in the sphere, Up's essence speaks without complexity. The brand's ethos and values encapsulated, a visual synergy, streamlined aesthetics, a timeless round emblem, instant recognition, a marketing stratagem, balance and symmetry in a circular frontier, effortlessly adapting the Up logo. Spread the word and amplify the message.